They want us to throw this stuff away. Everybody talks about sustainability. We want to talk about government. They talk about sustainability. They talk about, the environment. It's all BS. You know what I mean? It's like they don't care about that stuff. If they did, they wouldn't be like, oh, we're going to build 250,000 houses. Well, if you cared about the environment, you wouldn't be planning to build 250,000 or millions of houses. You wouldn't be making electric vehicles for us to throw away. Right? So it's, the idea that, hey, these things are disposable and replaceable as opposed to restorable and repairable, that's fine. One day our grandchildren will have to live on a pile of electric vehicles.
Of the electric vehicles, and doing the research with this, it's actually quite funny with the Fiat. It is the most environmentally sound, if that's the term that I'm looking for, electric vehicle that you can buy.
Let's light it on fire and see how that plays out.